Manny, how are you?
Yeah, good, Mike. We better keep the social distancing out. We are at the Orange World near Mildura, and he's Mario, and he welcomed us here today. And he's going to demonstrate some skills with his orange peeler.
There you go. Have you seen this before?
No.
Okay, I'll show you how it works.
Oh.
A little tap on this side of the peeler.
Yep.
Take the center of the orange and make a cut all around the orange. Once you've done that, turn the peeler, see the shine.
Yep.
All you need to do, go under the peel.
Yep.
And then start turning. And just keep going a little bit at a time, all the way to the top, until you reach the top. Once you get to the top, make a little twist. And that's your orange peel.
All right.
Some people call it great,
Yeah.
amazing, awesome. You know what I call it, Money?
Yeah.
Very appealing.
Very.
Do the same on this side,
Yeah.
and you end up with a fully peeled orange.
Yeah, really good, interesting tool, isn't it?
It is. It is very handy, very useful, and basically a lot of children will be eating more oranges if they can peel it that way, or mum and dad can peel it that way.
Yeah.
Made in Melbourne, a good Aussie gadget, this one.
That is great.
And call Orange World, and we'll send it to you.
Can I have a look at it?
Have a look.
The good thing about this is it's not sharp.
Not sharp.
There's no sharp blade on it. It's just a plastic.
And it lasts for years. Lasts
Got
for
it.
years. I've used this one here for the last 18 years.
18 years.
18 years. and I've
18
still got
years
it.
for one gadget.
There you go.
How handy is that?
$5 for one, 3 for $10,
3 for 10? That's cheap.
and plus postage, and you send them anywhere in Australia or in the world.
Or in the world. Here you go. Ring the Orange World.
Yeah, call us.
Call us
I'm
and
waiting for your call. Yeah.
and you also run the tours too.
So we've got tours 3 times a day, 10:30, 11:30 and 2:30.
Yeah.
A nice tour on the tractor train around the orchard. Citrus,
the orchard.
avocados.
Yeah, and plus we follow all the hand hygienes and the COVID-19.
We go through all the social distancing.
Social distancing.
Definitely.
Here you go. When next time you are in Australia or in Victoria around Mildura, come and see this guy here.
There you go. So we're just on the other side of Mildura.
Yeah.
So be careful. If you,
Yeah, be careful. We in
At the
New South-
moment, yeah.
Yes. All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Money?